Hi guys, it's me Grace and welcome to my mini exercise vlog. My purpose for doing this exercise is to achieve my goal which is lose my weight in just 1 week. So, bago jud ta magsugod sa atong exercise is mag-warm up sa tauna para di ta magkapamaol for just 5 minutes. So, this is my day 1 and first akong gibuhat bago nahuman sa warm up is ang squat. Ang purpose aning squat exercise is para ma-target ang atong multiple muscle group. Second is side bends. Side bends is a great exercise for target the muscle in your obliques. And then running in place. Sunod kay forward jump, also known as a standard long jump. This is day 2 and wate bago rin dapita kundi warm up na pod bago ta magsugod sa atong exercise. So, 1 guys, perte ng banhaa diri ah. So, maura gapon akong gibuhat gaya sa tong day 1 squat. Forward jump. And rise and fly. Rise and fly exercise is a combination movement that target the muscle in your calves. So, running in place na pod. So, day 3 kay rest day kay medyo kapoy na char. So, day 4 warm up. Warm up na pod char. And then side bends. Squat. Forward jump. Running in place. So, ni running jud day no kay ni naman jud siya kalayo. Joke. Day 5 warm up, warm up. Paspasan na lang jud nato kay perte yung dugaya kung di mo i-pass forward. And then slide beans na punta. And high knee twist, so bago ni siya. The high knee twist exercise is a dynamic exercise that target your core muscles. Ski hops. Ski hops exercise is a dynamic polymetric exercise. And then Russian twist. The Russian twist is an effective exercise for target your abdominal muscle. Day 6. Yes, warm up lang gihapon sa first. Side leg raise. Side leg raise exercise is a great way to target the straighten the muscle in your hips. Mountain climbers. The mountain climber are a dynamic exercise that target multiple muscle groups. And then running in place. Running in place is a simple, effective exercise that can be done anywhere, even in a small space. Plank. Plank exercise is a highly effective core strengthening exercise that also engage the muscle in your arms. So this is my last day, day 7. So magtarong-tarong tadura sa ayagamat ko no. Hay, joke lang. So warm up. And then side bends. And jumping jacks. So maura na akong gibuhat sa last day.